Nanababakabalin, welcome to Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa bagong lugar and bagong building ng BeauteHaus dito sa Angeles City.
So guys, this is a premium aesthetic shop that you can actually visit kung gusto mong magpaganda, magpagwapo, magpa-sexy. Ito yung mga pinupuntahan.
At the same time, hindi lang to basta-basta. Later may mga makakasama tayong mga ambassador.
Yes.
Watch out for that.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go.
Bro, what can you say about the place?
Actually, yung place napaka-elegant. At the same time, feel mo yung beauty talaga pag nandito ako sa BeauteHaus.
Ako, I remember the time feature natin sila dun sa Villa Angela. Yung previous location, comparing it now, grabe, this is like 10 times better para sa akin, ha?
At the same time, mas malaki, mas madaming client yung accommodate nila.
So, kasama natin si Ma'am Ana. We're gonna have a tour of the place. Samahan niyo pa rin kami.
Tara.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ana Guevara. I'm the clinic manager of BeauteHaus. So, welcome in BeauteHaus Clinic.
To know about sa place nila and yung mga services nila, so una-una, titingnan muna natin yung place kasi napakaganda ng place, di ba?
Sir, muna kayo, sir. So, here we have treatment rooms. We have the VIP, which is the treatment room 1, and then treatment room 2 and 3. Lahat ng procedures or services ng clinic pwede po dito. Like facials, and then doctor's procedure, IPL, and then we have lasers then. And pwede rin sabay po yung like yung BeauteDerm namin, which is the gluta na ginagawa while having your facials or other services na isasabay yung BeauteDerm.
So ito ay one of the clients nila dito. And at the
We're
same
in
time,
Pampanga.
kasama si Doc.
This is the VIP room for yes. Yes. So BeauteHaus is under the BeauteDerm group of companies. We have services like beauty drip, then we have facials, IPL hair removal. We have also the high-end procedures, which is the oil therapy, and then we have Vivace, and then Acgen.
This is Vivace procedure. So this machine uses high intensity radio frequency ng microneedling. So for scars, large pores, and to treat fine lines din and skin texture improvement. And so this has no downtime. So after this one, may a little bit of redness lang yung patient, and then she can go back or resume to her normal activities.
So we have another one, labiser. So dito din, pwede rin may mga patients na for waiting.
Or may makasama po,
May
pwede
mga
sila
kasama.
dito.
So pwede din po dito. So super laki ng space, di ba?
Actually, at saka napaka-bongga, ma'am. Luxurious.
Yes.
And then this
And
is
then we have the doctor's lounge.
the doctor's lounge.
So,
There you go.
Our doctors, pwede po sila mag-accept dito ng patient for like
Consultation.
for assessment or consultation.
Correct.
Then, doctor schedule is Monday to Saturday naman po sila. So we have 2 doctors.
Napansin ko dito, guys. Again, no, every corner, every inches, napaka-luxurious po ng dating ng mga
Yes,
ano
super
natin,
aesthetic
interior,
talaga.
yes.
This one is the gluta area.
Oh,
So, diba? So, pink.
alright. I can almost imagine, ma'am, parang meron tayong gluta sessions, yung group,
Yes.
parang gluta party. And then here, guys, habang naghihintay kayo, hindi ka naman mabobore dahil meron tayong entertainment system dito.
Yes.
Ayun.
So we can accommodate 5
Yes.
at
a time.
clients. Yes po. Before kasi dun sa old clinic,
Yes.
super lang yung
Correct.
limited space.
And now, it's bigger. Sobrang laki na po.
Opo.
Okay, the last room. I think this is the last room.
For the couple,
Mm.
pwede siya sa So all services din po
Yes.
pwede dito.
Ang ganda.
We usually do here is the facials. And then other services na lang na
But at least this
Lilipat.
room, yes, this room can accommodate yung mag-asawa or even
Yes.
partners. At least hindi na po sila naman nahihiya. At the same time, sabay silang matapos.
Yes.
Yes.
We'd like to invite invite everyone to come and visit us here at BeauteHaus Clinic located at BeauteDerm headquarters. So we are open every Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Set an appointment with us by social media, Facebook and Instagram. They can contact us at 0917-498-0015. So, we're the art of science and beauty perfected. See you, beauties!